welcome back to my channel. I hope the camera is okay. I'm a bit awkward today because it's been a while since I vlogged. So I'm finally back. Today I will be filming another day in my life video, and I'm just going to show you guys my room. So there's gonna be a room tour today, but mind you, I tak sempat nak decorate anything. This is just me genuinely sharing what my room looks like. And then I had my breakfast already, I got ready already, so this is just like an impromptu kind of video. I just feel like vlogging because I miss you guys and I miss talking to the camera, I miss talking to my vlogging camera. So my plan today is just to go to Tesco. I have to do my groceries. I'm going to show you guys my room, so it's going to be a room tour after this. Also, mind you that I have more than one video to upload, but I tak sempat nak edit yet. So it's gonna be like throwbacks punya video, and I look different in each videos. Like I look different now, I look different in the previous one. So yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, no judgments, okay? This is a different view. So what I'm gonna do now is probably have to take the bus, but it's raining. It's not like really raining, it's just drizzling. So I'm just gonna check the bus. I honestly love grocery shopping, and back in KL my favorite place to get groceries is dekat GE Mall with my mom. I just like the vibe, so that's my favorite place to do my groceries. I'm just gonna get ready and I'll bring you guys with me. Of course, gotta wear the puffer because it's cold. I'm so excited for spring because I'm so done with winter already. Like I just want the sun right now. I'm all set. I'm wearing my low dunks. Alright, so I got this pocket tissue. For food, I beli mushrooms. And then I got broccoli, vegetarian cheese. This one is 50% reduced fat. Now I beli bird's eye chilies, which is like chili padi kat sini. I got the Tabasco brand sriracha, green seedless grapes. I went crazy with fruits. I got mango juga, so I beli 2 packets. And I also got evaporated milk, so I'm planning to do the Gigi Hadid pasta. And I beli tomato puree. And I also got the Shazan's peri peri chicken thighs, just cause I dah lama tak beli like marinated chicken. That's what I got from Tesco just now. And now it's time for the room tour. So when you enter my room, this is what you'll see. So that's basically it. That's the entire room. I'll just start here. Okay, at the back of the door, I would usually just hang my go-to bag currently, and then my puffer. And then on the right side, it's just a heater. And here is my bathroom. So is this a normal bathroom? You can see me. It's a normal bathroom, nothing to explain about. It reminds me of airplane punya bathroom. And then when you go on this side, it's basically where I put my shoes. And then this part, I will always like leave it empty. I don't know why, because sometimes I want to put like things yang to remind me what to bring. This shelf is just all of my instant noodles. I still have more in the kitchen, but sebab my mom visited me hari tu, so she bawa a lot lah for me. So we have Maggi and then mi sedap, and these are just like paste. Macam if you're lazy to cook kan, so you just beli chicken and then you use the paste. So this one is kuah satay, which I tak makan yet. And there's like a lot of ramen, carbonara specifically. If you buy it here, it's really expensive. Oh, that's why my mom bawa banyak gila. So yeah, and then these are also just like paste, and this is just like random ketchup. And then I have chopsticks. And these are just like nasi goreng punya perinca. Here is a bit like random. I put all of my sanitizers because every time I balik I can terus pakai. I have my MB Pure. Here I have all of my medicine. So this is minyak angin because I have gastric, and then inhaler because I also have asthma. Like extra mask. See, this one from Hanya. And then bottom, dekat this shelf, I just put my sneakers, my slides, my heels. And at the top, I don't really need to explain. I just put all of my luggage bag. So that's what you see here. Alright, so next I'm gonna show you guys my wardrobe. I am quite satisfied with the size. It's quite big. Ta-da! This is where I put my undergarments, so I decided just to tutup because I'm not going to show you guys obviously. Okay, so we'll start here. So on top I just put my telekung and sejadah. Then here is all of my fragrances like my perfumes and body mist. And then I have my passport, all of the important stuff kat situ. And I also put all of my bags here, daily necklaces. This is where I put my rings usually. So this one is from Rania. So I'm not going to show you guys anything from here. Moving to the next section. This is where I put my sweatshirts and all of my knitwears basically. And then here ada surah Wajah Alna, my mom selalu bagi. So here is where I put my heat tag, my scarf, my tudung, and all of my socks. I have a lot of socks. And yeah, this side I put all of my thick knitwears. So yeah, and then I also have my hoodie. And then ada juga yang I hang. So this is a cardigan from Isni. And I have my cropped blazer as well, and hoodies, and my winter coat. And then here I just letak my pants, pajamas, t-shirts, cropped cardigans, and not to forget my kaftans my mom bawa. So comfy. And that's about it. It's raining today. This is the view. This is my bed. It's super comfy. And my favorite part is definitely because I could see the view every day. My pillows are from Tesco. The mattress and this throw is from Primark. Here, I usually just put my water bottle and my Brita. This is like basically a water filter. So here, I just put my charger, and then I put my Vicks and inhaler because, you know, asthma things. And then over here is quite cute, I would say. I put my film camera, my films, and this notebook from Elle. Fun fact, I don't use it because I sayang to guna. So I just keep it as a decoration, you know. So I just put my laundry basket at the end of my room. And then there's a mirror here, that's me. So this is where I would normally do my makeup and take mirror selfies. Right, so it is currently 4:14 and I feel like I need my coffee, so I'm gonna get Starbucks. Let's go. Okay, so it's sunset right now and it's so cantik. So this is the outside view. It's so windy. I'm just randomly vlogging. I know, why not? It's been a while. It's so cantik, see? So I'm gonna continue my room tour. So this is my study area. I have this journal which my friends got it for me. But like I said, if I sayang the book, I don't really use it. There's my name. And then these are all the pictures and also like notes. There's me and Hannah. I like this picture, it's so cute. And then I have this picture of when we film What's in the Box. And then I just have like notes from Rania, Hannah, Disney. So I just put it there because it's purple and it's nice. And here is just some random like pictures I letak on this board. This is Ari and Ani, so cute. And then that's me with Mimi, Arwa Mimi, and then my parents, and then Awesome and Arash. Literally nothing like what I have at home, but something similar. And then that's the Starbucks coffee that I got just now. And then I will always put my laptop here or on my bed. I am currently listening to Less Than Zero by The Weeknd. Also have a to-do list here. Film a YouTube video, groceries, and banking law quiz. And over there I just have my quizzes. So here is my makeup and skincare. I would put my go-to lipsticks here. Like in this basket is all of my skincare, makeup brushes, tissue, and a box of makeup, like banyak gila. Put all of my notes and slides, like lecture slides, notes and lecture slides, wallpaper, and my small backpack. First compartment is where I keep all of my random stuff. So like my camera, charger, my headbands, all of my like pencil case, and then adapter, and then yeah, I have my buku doa and all. Also extra mask, my earphones, and then another surah wajalna. There's a second compartment which I keep everything is so random here. My necklaces, my sunglasses, tissue, COVID test, iron, umbrella, and at the back I have just like extra towels. So that is basically my room tour. I think it's just a perfect room, you know, if you're living alone, and obviously it's my first year here, so living in accommodation I think would be better. On that note, if you guys are planning to study overseas and you guys are looking for places to live, you guys are looking for accommodation and you don't know where to start, I'd like to introduce you to Amber. If you don't already know, Amber is a platform through which students can book accommodations near their universities. Amber is Southeast Asia's largest student accommodation provider, and they are currently operating in more than 100 cities in Australia, Europe, which includes Denmark, France, Germany, Ireland, Spain, and not to forget the UK. Also in the United States. And they even have more than 20,000 listings on their platform. So I would really recommend you guys to browse through their website, and it's so easy for you to just find places to live that is literally minutes away from your universities. So how it works is so easy. All you have to do is just go to their website. It's amberstudent.com. On the website you can discover and finalize your place, which one do you prefer, and there's so many options, guys, I'm not even kidding. Next step is for you to get your paperwork done, and with that your accommodation is already booked. And on the website you could discover like so many popular areas. If you're planning to study in the UK and you're looking for an accommodation, so for example London, just click on London and there's like so many options of accommodations, and it goes the same for other cities as well. And if any of you guys are planning to study overseas, especially in the UK, here are some of their most popular properties in the UK. And if you guys are planning to book your accommodation through amberstudent.com, I'll put the link in the description box below. Feel free to click on that link and the link will straight away guide you to their website. Hi guys, I hope you guys liked this video, and I know my room is so simple, but you guys have been asking me to post like room tour. So this is my room in the UK, and I actually baru je tau decorated all the pictures just now because I thought there a lot of things for me to decorate. And shout out to amberstudent.com for sponsoring today's video, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and as always I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.